Creative depth in design often comes from subtle layering rather than heavy effects. Today, how to explore layered depth frames. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Insert a main frame and place your image inside, adjusting it carefully for composition. Duplicate the frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity. Repeat this step once more to build a soft layered effect. Add a secondary frame slightly overlapping for variation. Select the background and apply a gradient or muted tone. Add subtle shadows or blur effects to enhance depth. Use position tools to manage layering order. Add minimal text using a modern font. This layered depth technique creates